So welcome in all you trader nerds. We've got a lot of changes going on today. I got to talk to you about some things. Okay. Now, my IRA account, the $110,000 account will no longer be a $110,000 account. And the reason is we are going to convert $25,000 of that account to a Roth IRA. So I'm doing a Roth conversion. I'm converting part of my traditional into a Roth IRA. So we will begin the process of trading. Instead of 3 accounts that we do here, we're going to trade 4 accounts. Now, why 25,000? Well, if you want to trade our strategy, you need $25,000 to do that in Thinkorswim. So we will begin trading the little Roth IRA as soon as that money's going over, which means I will now be doing the process of paring down my trades in the regular IRA, since it will be, $25,000 or so less than it is now, $110,000 account. So I know that a lot of you are interested in how to start trading an account from scratch. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a 4-week series on starting an account from brand new. Just, got a $25,000 account. Here we go. We're ready. We're going to start it from the ground up. So I'm thinking, unless someone convinces me otherwise, we'll continue trading our 3 accounts live here with everybody. But in the 4th account, I thought that'd be a neat little perk to give our Muscadine Mafia members, So I think I'm going to make the 4-week series available to Muscadine Mafia. So anyone that's in the Muscadine Mafia can take that 20 courses on starting a new account. And it's going to take about 20 days to get that account, built up. So the only thing that's in that account now, I've got like $3,000 over there. And so we're trading, I'm moving another 23 in. So it'll be $26,000 account. And as soon as that takes place, it may even begin this week. So if you're a Muscadine Mafia member, we'll do some extra sessions just as a little perk to say thank y'all for being a Muscadine Mafia session. So anyway, we love our Muscadine Mafia. We love our Hello Ladies. We love our Ninja Nerds. But I thought that'd be a great little perk for Muscadine Mafia, how to build an account from zero. So we'll do that. Now, some of you want to trade our strategy with less than that. And I guess it's possible, but it's probably not possible in an IRA. So let's say you got, $5,000 or $10,000. Could you do our strategy? I think you can in a margin account, but it's probably a little bit more difficult because they won't let you do that, what we're doing in an IRA. Now, I'm not sure what Tasty requirements are as far as trading an IRA, but who knows? You just call them, figure it out. But I'm going to do this account over at Thinkorswim. So that's one of these mini accounts here. I'll have to figure out which one it is and trade that account over here as well. All right. So with that said, the market is down 0.36%. Oh, be still my heart. Who cares? We don't care about market direction and movement. It's a moot point with us. Let's look what our little thingamajig says. Well, I'll be dog. It's at the point of control. Go figure. Now, any of these could soon become the point of control. Look at this. This is about to be the point of control. It's about to go lower as more contracts are traded there. So when I look at this, I say we're fairly priced, but look where the suction cup is right here. There is a suction magnet right here at about the 4,100. It's just wants price. Price just wants to go there. And I would think in the short term, we're probably going there. It's exactly where we're going. So let's see if that indeed plays out, because it wants to fill this gap. And with that gap being at the 4,100, definitely price wants to go there. I don't see anything preventing us from going back to the 4,100 at some point. But right now, VWAP is serving as a little bit of support, as well as the hourly mid-band. And AD has been steadily going down, but now it's kind of chilling out a little bit. What's the volume? Very anemic. All right, so let's get in it and let's do our thing. Let's go with the Tastyworks account first. Today's the 15th. Hope you had a great Valentine's Day. We did Valentine's through the Wendy's drive-through. Some of y'all that work behind a Wendy's dumpster, we know that from the Wall Street Bets gang. A lot of people apparently have a lot of action and a lot of fun behind the behind the Wendy's dumpster. 38,900. Count it, rack it. 38,900. 38,900 is enough for me to play the Jeffersons. Praise the Lord.
Well, we're moving on now. We're moving on up to the east side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Yes, hallelujah. Let's hide everything here so we can go privacy mode. Okay, here we go. So let's see. Our Greeks are 91 and 29. 91 and 29. Oh, look at that delta. 91 and 29. So we're still cold, y'all. Just cold, cold, cold. We just can't get enough data in the account, and that's why our returns are not where they need to be. So VIX, wow, VIX is down at 18. Okay, that's kind of low, isn't it? So you don't want to put trades on when VIX is low, but in the whole scheme of thing, VIX of 18, y'all, there was a time we would beg for that. That's great. So I'm not going to look a gift horse in the mouth. 81.78 on my buying power. So, okay. Now, allow your metrics. Oh, you got to have 5,000 in micros at Tasty. But what about an IRA, man? Can you do that in an IRA over there? Or was that for a margin account? All right, so we're using 21%. We're a little bit long here. But you know, we need some more data in the account. So what do? Well, let's go put us a trade on. Now let's go look at our puddle of death. Oh no, our portfolio has a 99% probability of success. Wouldn't you know that 1% will probably come right here where we'll lose money? No, we're not going to lose money. We know better than that. We have an awesome risk profile. The puddle of death scares us not. The puddle of ed, so to speak. So let's go put us on a trade in the micros. Macros. We love our macros. And let's go table. Closest to 60 without going under. And I want a long put vertical. I'd like him 50 points wide. There he is. And we're going to go down where that can be bought for $10. And then we'll get through all that garbage. 10.50. We can sell where we sold and we can buy where we bought. That's $10. Let's go down one more. Make it 9.75. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. So I think I'm going to do the market's down a little bit, 14 points. Let's do a two trancher. You want to? You want to? Let's do a two trancher. Two tranches of this stuff. I will be on vacation next week. We will have the day off, the whole week off. I will be sunning in the beautiful Bahamas. I've never been there before. So I hope I don't get offered the wacky weed like I normally am when I go to the Jamaica, where everybody offers you the wacky weed. So that should be interesting. All right. So I'm not sure what to expect while I'm in Bahamas. Don't know anything about it. Except Beth has thought about going to that place where the pigs are in the water. And I'm like, who cares? We got pigs here. I mean, heck, throw them in a pond. Who wants to see a pig swimming in the ocean? And then I thought to myself, hell, I ain't going there. I said, if you were a shark, where would you be? I mean, you'd be where the bacon is. Hell, I ain't going out there. Darn shark come up and knock a pig out and think I'm a hog and think, you know, Thanksgiving came early. Crap. Heck no. He's swimming with no pig in no ocean. It's crazy. All right. So what were we doing? Oh, we put on our put debit spread. That's good. Did we get filled? Yeah, we got filled on that. So let's go sell us some naked stuff. You want to? Naked. 93 days. And we like the 12 Delta. We've gone through why we like the 12 Delta. So 12 Delta, we could sell another one of these 3610s, couldn't we? Yeah, sell two more of them. You want to? Let's take some risk. Two of the 3610s. Two of those. Beautiful. Got it. Filled. Oh, they filled my price. So then let's find us a good round number. This 3,600, or we could go a little closer, 3,650. I kind of like that. So let's sell two Sweet Bobby hedges. Let's do those. Two Sweet Bobby hedges. So we'll do this one. We'll do two of those at the 3,650 for 32.75. Put me in, baby. Put me in, coach. I am ready. So we went through Wendy's last night And I come home and I'm eating my 2 double stacks for 410 calories a piece, 820 calories. And Beth said they forgot to get the little red hedge chicken sandwich. And I'm like, oh, you have got to be kidding me. I called them and I said, y'all forgot my chicken sandwich. And they said, oh, we're so sorry. I said, they said, are you coming back to get it? I said, well, unless you're going to bring it to my house. They said, sorry, sir, we don't do delivery. I said, well, hell, I'll be there in 5 minutes. Such is my life. But I told Ed today, I said, Ed, if that's all I got to worry about is they didn't get my order right and left out my red hedge chicken sandwich, you know, I don't have much to worry about. So 36.50s is what I sold. All right, 36.50. So let's buy 4 options. So if we buy 4 options, we want to buy them in. 4 of those. I sold them for 32. So I could buy 36.60s, buy 4 of those. Now I could do the 3600s, right? But I kind of want to do something closer. How about a 32.12? That still gives me a $20 thing, doesn't it? Let's do that. Let's beef it up. Let's buy 36.60s. Let's buy 4 of those. 2, 3, 4. Not 5, Bob. Don't get carried away. And then let's go to the mid price. If we get filled there, 10.50. Of course not. Trying to embarrass me in front of my friends just because I'm making fun of Wendy's. I used to love Wendy's until we got one in our little town. And now I'm like, oh, how we eat it so much. So my daughter, my redhead, was on friend with her little friend Annabelle. And Annabelle says, how come y'all eat at Wendy's so much? I said, how come we do eat at Wendy's so much? What the crap? Why? Why? It's not even good when you got it in your own town. So now let's go look at our Valley of Death. Let's see what we did there. All right, let's refresh this. Oh, now I've got a 99.5% probability profit. I don't see any pink, y'all. Look at there. It updated on its own, didn't it? Look at that. Isn't that a thing of beauty? God, that's pretty. Now, when we're in the Muscadine Mafia sessions and we're building a new account, this is what we're going to learn, how to build this from scratch. So I cannot wait for that. Okay. All right. MAGA says, I have an IRA funded at Tasty Works last year at 17. I can do everything in a normal account. Oh, good. Seems that everyone is the same except margin requirements, no ES trading, micros forever. Okay. That's very good. Good to know. So I love the micros. I love them. Love them, love them, love them. And now we got more expirations, and before long, we'll have even more expirations, and it'll be just like the E-minis. I predict that. All right, so let's go to our little account. That will not be our little account loan. We'll have a littler account. So over here, let's see how we're doing over here. We are at 31,243. 31,243. 31. Do you see what I see? 31,243. Remember, I put another $1,000 in there.
Well, we're moving on now to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Y'all, we are up 5% on the year. How does it get better than that? All right, let's go see how we're doing. So let's record get our stuff here. Monitor. All right, so our deltas are 60 minus 1. So say 59.33. 59.33. 59.33. And what was it yesterday? 19 was the VIX. That's why we're getting paid, y'all. The VIX is coming down, volatility is coming down. So we're a little long. Now remember, we're holding a future. Has anybody forgot that we got a short future somewhere? Where's it at? I hadn't forgot it. Here it is. We are short a future. Crap, we've lost $216 on it, but we're up $67 today. So that's holding my buying power down a little bit, and I'm just holding it. Nothing to do. Let's see. So we are at a buying power of 95, say 9,000. Still holding the future. Bobby, aren't you worried that it's losing money? No, it's my account's a little too long as it is. Who cares? Wow, so we're at 28%. Oh, y'all, this is what you call beautiful. Hello, ladies. Do you come here often? How does sweet Bobby do it day in and day out? Is there anything that I've got an automatic close signal on to close? This is what you call smooth sailing. I don't have to put on a trade at all. And I can just sit here and count my money while I'm sitting at the table. All right, so let's see if any of our nakeds are over 55% profit. See if we can take off a little risk. You want to? You want to? So let's go here and let's say, 44%. That ain't worth my time. Yeah, so I don't see anything to take off, do you? I mean, we can make $132. So let's make sure none of our hedges have expired. Let's go back and make sure none of our hedges have expired. Days left in trade. Y'all help me look, see if there's zeros or 30 days on anything that would force me to buy some more protection. We got somebody that's going to expire today. Okay, a 15-cent option. That's all we got expiring. No big deal. Let's go look at our risk graph, look at our risk profile, and see what it looks like. See if we're comfortable with our risk. So here we go, 215. Make sure that's right. So all 7 series, hide simulations, and you want to go portfolio beta weighted. Portfolio beta weighted sucks because Ed's got us in all these daggum little things that we give him heck about, but we love him. We love Ed. So we got to uncheck these. It's a little pain in the butt, just kind of like Ed is, but we tolerate it. So we go back and now we say, okay, if we go down 20%, I'm going to be up $9,000. Hello, ladies. Now, if we factor in volatility and we think we get a big vol hit on a 20% down move, which we do, then our risk to the downside is negative $4,800. Negative $4,800. I can live for that. So as I look at my little portfolio, I go, you know what, Bob? I mean, you got $6,000 to $10,000 of issues there. You know, I kind of feel good. I do. But at the same time, I could make that stronger. You know, I could make that stronger. You know, today is the day that Chat GPT is saying that that we're supposed to have the crash. Oh, what if it happens today? What if today is the day? Will you show your max loss in each expiration? Sure, I can do that, Wise, if you want to see it. Expiration. Let's see if we can make heads or tails of this. Okay. Is that helping you any? On the 15th, it'd be 58.39. On the 16th, it's 23.30. 222 down 12,000, 228 down 15,000, 3-1 down 15,000. Does that help anybody? So I think, you know, the more I think about it, why be greedy? I got enough theta in here, don't I? Don't I have enough theta? You know, I'm at 0.11. I'm green, y'all. It's not easy being green. Easy. That's Kermit the Frog. So what I could do is go in and buy me a little insurance, couldn't I? If I wanted to prop that up a little bit. So where would I buy my insurance? Well, I'd buy some old cheapos. Cheapo.
Hey, Bobby.
Well, yeah, hey, Ed.
Good morning, good afternoon, everyone.
Good morning, Ed.
I like what you're doing here, but can you just pause and back? Because you said you had 1 or 2 long puts expiring tomorrow.
Yeah, expiring today. I got one expiring today.
Are they out of the account metrics right now? Or are they still floating in
They're
there?
still in it. They're still in it.
Can we look at, they're probably not going to have much of an effect. I mean, they're a long contract, so they're helpful in that regard, but I'm sure these things like are worth a penny, right?
Yep.
And they're way out the money. So like, so I just thought like, what's it gonna, when those remove, what are your metrics look like compared to now? And then maybe add protection back on because that protection's fallen off.
Yeah,
And of
because that's
course,
going
that Chat GPT thing, I'm really getting my worries cranked up on that information.
Oh, I bet so, Ed. I bet you're like, I can't stand it.
Oh, I had to ping on the bunker to make sure it was thick enough.
Exactly. And y'all don't have bunkers in Louisiana because y'all can't do nothing underground, for God's sakes. Y'all gonna be above ground. Y'all, that's the worst dang place to be in the country. So my 34.25 is coming off. Let's see what he's doing for us, okay? So let's unhook all these and let's go find our 34.25 dude. Come here, little 34.25. Where you at? There he is. So here's what he's doing for me today. He's giving me $15,000 worth of protection and he expires today. Wow, look at him. Is that possible? Let's see. Well, there's two of them. Oh, is that it? That's two of them. Let's see. So there's a 3240. Make sure that's
It
all.
looks like it was 7 delta on those. Is that what I saw?
What, the deltas here?
Yeah, like today, yeah, 7, okay.
Mm. So yeah, I probably need to, to replace them, right? I mean, I need to. So I think what I'm going to do.
Lose the 7 deltas, right?
Mhm. Let's go look at it.
You have the futures contract on, which is
Yeah, let's-
giving 50 deltas.
Yep, give me 50 bit. Let's go see what he looks like here. What is a 34.25 or 32.24? Was it 34.25? Here he is. 34.25. Yep. Look at there. There he is doing his thing. So, I think what I'll do is I'll trade a 7-dayer. No, we said 14's better, didn't we? Yeah. So let's do a 14-dayer. And let's do 30 cents. That's where I've been comfortable at. Now you can do them wherever you want to. Okay, so we'll do a 3,400 today. Let's buy him for 30 cents. And let's buy 2 of those. Now, I ain't buying nothing, y'all, unless I pay for it. I've got to pay for him some way, somehow. So I bought the 3,400 at 14 days for 30 cents. And I'm not buying stuff just for the sake of buying. I am not going to do that. So what I'm going to do is go put him in my spreadsheet, right? So I'm going to go MES. Did I do 2 contracts? I hope I did 2. I'll double check on that. So we're going to call him ES long put 9 and 3,400 puts long hedge at 14 days to replace the one that's coming off 15.23, and he cost me 30 cents. So he cost me $5.94. Is that
You
right?
gotta change your first column to ES instead of
Oh,
MES.
you're exactly right. Thank you, Hal, so much. Yes, there we go. So it cost me $33.64. So I am not, listen to me, I am not in the business of doing trades like that. Let's make sure I did 2 contracts. Yeah. So let's go put him in his group. He goes in the long put group. So I got to pay for him some way. Now, there's a couple ways that we can pay for him. I can close an existing trade, or I can put on another trade. I'd rather put on another trade to pay for it. So especially it's a down move today, right? So let's go to ES. Let's pay for this booker. So let's go out to the micros. Let's go pay for him. I am not in the business of just spending out $72 unless I go and pay $50 at $55.30 at Wendy's for my family of 7. Y'all, that's me and Beth eating at Applebee's with a dessert. You believe that? Stupid Wendy's. All right, so let's go get us the 36.40 here. And let's try to get it closer to the mid price. So let's sell us one. So we'll bring in $153. And that's going to pay for my insurance. Now, you say, well, wait a minute, Bobby, that doesn't make sense. You bought 2 and you sold 1. Why are you doing that? Well, remember, if our friend, Ron Bertino, who is a really close friend of mine, if he is right and the weighted Vega argument is true, we'd rather have our insurance closer to the scene of the accident, and we'd rather have our nakeds farther out in time away from the accident. So I'm selling at 94 and I'm buying at 14, and I bought 2 and I sold 1. Everybody with me? So I sold a 36.40 for 31. Let's go put him in. 36.40 for 31. 36.40 for $31. Look at that. That should easily pay for our little insurance we bought today. Easy peasy. So again, if you are going to buy something, don't buy stuff just for the heck of buying it. That's what we call dumb. I want you to sell something to finance that. Put your insurance closer in time, closer to the scene of the accident, and put your nakeds way out. All right, so let's see how we got here. So I got a naked at 93 days. We're in him on 2/15/23. Beautiful. Okay, there he is. Now let's go look at our risk profile and see how we're looking to the downside. That gave me some insurance. So let's do our expirations. For expirations, hide simulations. We want all groups for vol steps on you. So now if we crash, I'm gonna make, instead of $9,000, oh sweet Bobby's gonna make $18,000. But with volatility kicking in, I'm actually gonna make $8,471 because it's gonna work against some of my little short trades that I did too. I'm fine. That is great, y'all. That is what we call beautiful. Let's go to the final account. Now, the final account, this is the one that's going to be $25,000 less. So I know what y'all are thinking. Bobby, you lost 23,000. No, I didn't. I've taken 23,000 out of this and I'm putting it in the other account. So I sent in my paperwork last night. So it'll take 2 to 4 business days. Let's see how this account's doing. And then don't forget, Muscadine Mafia. It'll probably start this week, building a new account from zero. Oh, and the question is, hey, Bob, you're going to be on vacation next week. What are you doing to pare down your account? I ain't doing nothing. I'm comfortable with my risk. 110,264. 110,264. I ain't doing nothing because I'm on the ship.
Well, we're moving on
And Ed says,
to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Ed says that I can sign up for the internet package, which should be included on the cruise ship. Okay, we're paying all these thousands of dollars on the cruise. It should be included, but no, they're going to charge. I know what y'all saying. Well, Bobby, shouldn't your class that you're doing the new account on be included for everybody too? I got it. I got it. I'm guilty too. I'm one of those evil capitalists. All right, so let's see what our thing is. Stupid extra $70 for internet for the whole 4 days. Unbelievable. All right, so we are at 127 minus 10 is what? 120, 117.54. 117.54. Now here I've got to pare down 117 and 54. And our buying power is at 21 minus 11. What is that? 20,700, 20,700 or so. 20,700. I may not have to pare anything down. 20,700. So if my account was 23,000 less, I can't do math in my head, y'all, especially in front of people. So if I was at 110 minus
87,264.
well, 87,264.
I think so.
I was trying to see if I could pare down some. 87,264. So, I lost 22,000. So let's see, that would put me at.
Look, put it in your contributions column, Bobby.
Hey, look at that. 87,264. And if I'm at 20,000, I'm still at 20,000.
Page.
Huh?
Go back to your NetLink page for a sec.
Yeah. Okay.
You see your contributions withdrawals line right there? Put 25,000 or whatever that. No, it'll crunch it for you.
Okay. So I
And
still
let's go back to your Greeks and metrics page for a sec. I think your deltas are 126 plus 10, not minus 10.
Oh, was that right? Let's see.
Maybe.
So I'm at 120. Oh, you're right. 125 plus, what's that got? Okay, 126 plus, 137. Good catch, Ed. 137. See, we got Ed around for a reason, y'all. 137. Ed's here for a reason, y'all. Okay, so 137. My net lick is that. Look, y'all, I'm still not over my. Okay, so what about did I get my net lick wrong too? No, 21 negative plus that. So that's about 20,000, right? 20,000 or so. 21,000 almost. Yeah, 21,000. So I think I'm good. I don't think I have to pare anything down. Right? Because my net lick is there and I'm using 20,000. I'm at 23% instead of 18%. Wow.
You need to take the 23,000 out of that second column on your net lick page, or you need to change the first column back to the 100,000 because it's doubling up on your buying power.
What do you mean, Hal? I'm lost.
Column in, Buying power down at the bottom.
Uh-huh. So it's taking 87, which is my new net lick, minus the 20,000 that I'm using in buying power and giving me 66. So 66,000 divided by 87 should be, wait a minute, no. That's, yeah, 20 divided by 87 is what? 20 divided by 87 should be the 23%. 20 divided by 87. Yeah, 22, whatever that percent is. So I think we're good. I don't think I have to pare down anything, which is really cool. Okay. Now let's reverse all this. Let's go, no, a second, let's do reverse, because it's not happened yet. I don't want to put it in until it happens. So 117, let's see, 110, 264. And then we said that was what, 130 something. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be just fine. I was worried about that a little bit. 126 plus 11 is 137. Oh, this is so great, y'all. 137. Great.
How many bonds, T-bills you have in there?
I got a ton of them. Let's see what we got here. We got 11, 16, 27, 33, 39, 45, 51, 62. $62,000 worth of T-bills. Is that amazing? And look, y'all, I mean, we pick at Ed a lot, but look at this year-to-date stuff. I mean, without Ed, y'all, where would we be? I mean, I've made $200, and this is just on my openings. This is just on my stuff here, on the openings. I mean, if I'm looking at, I've been over 200 because we've been closing the crap out of them every week. So ain't no telling how much money we made in T-bills.
I was just wondering if you were going to have to shed a couple of them when you move the money over to the other account.
I don't think I am, actually. But you know, the good thing is I don't think I'll put on any more either, right? It said 3 to 4 business days. Hopefully it'll be this week. And we can go ahead and start building it up. But I may wait till after I run back from the Bahamas before we do that. Isn't this great?
So you had 63,000 in T-bills.
Yeah, 63.
They
I think.
take up 1% of buying power at Thinkorswim at Ameritrade.
Mm-hmm.
So that's going to be $630 of buying power. So I don't think that's going to affect your account at all.
Isn't that amazing? Isn't that fun? So, Beth, why are you crawling on your hands and knees, girl? Beth, will you please, have you turned into one of those furball cat people that go to school all of a sudden? The litter box is in the utility room. Unbelievable. What is she doing? Crawling around on all fours. Unbelievable. And if you don't mind putting some clothes on, Beth, that's disgusting. Hey, quit throwing things at me. What was that? Was that an M&M? If it is, I'm gonna eat it. All right, so let's see if we got anything to close over here, and then we'll manage our risk over here as well. Let's see. So let's go to the trade tab. Look at our auto close signal. See if anything's flashing for me. Uh-oh. Well, hello, ladies. The 3600s. How are you doing? So let's go see. We got 2 of those 3600s. Let's go find them in our naked puts. 2 3600s. How about that? 72%. Well, look, I've actually got the 3550s that are 72.92%, but I'll do the 3600s. I'm not greedy. So let's create a closing order for those, and we'll try to get out of them at $8 because we are greedy capitalists, unapologetically so. Oh yeah, baby, $8. Beth, what could you do with $8? Beth, yo, Beth. She ain't talking to me. At least she's in a chair now, not crawling on all four, buff naked. Unbelievable. One. All right, so let's see here. We made $204 and
We're moving on up to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
now remember, y'all, why would I be a greedy SOB and not get some insurance? So let's see if we need it first. So here we are, portfolio beta weighted, hide simulations. We gotta dog cuss Ed, get our things out of the way here, get our little 63 T-bills out of the way, even though we've made $200 or more on them this year. And get all those out. Good. All right, so now high simulations, we're going to be up $43.55 on a 20% pullback. Add volatility in there, we're going to be down $30,000. Beth, what would you do if we lost $30,000 today? How would you feel? She would throw me in a dirty swimming pool outside that is infested with frogs. All right, so I can buy me some insurance, can't I? Shan't I? Can't I? Shan't I? Yeah, let's do that. So why don't we buy us a 14-day son of a gun? Oh, by the way, do I need to roll that out? Hold on. Let's see what our things. Hold on. I've got something here. We got 51 nakeds. We've got 57 put debit spreads. Are you kidding me? Bobby, roll it out, baby. So I closed 2 today, right? I closed 2. Let's sell another 2. And that'll help finance our other stuff. So let's do sell 2. We'll go to the 93. Oh, this is fun. Just ringing the register. I told Ed yesterday, I said, I feel like it's too easy. I feel like what we're doing is just a little too, I don't know. So let's sell 2 of these 3640s. And let's go to 31. 2 3640s at 31. 2 3640s at 31 field. 2 3640s at 31 field. 3640 at 31 field micro. And we got 2 tranches. So we'll call them naked puts 26. Puts naked 93 days, 2 15 23. And then we're going to go. I've been following Evan's model. I like Evan's model. Shoot, every time you sell something naked, do your sweet Bobby hedge. So why don't we do, why don't we try that 3,700 again? Yeah, let's do 3,700 and get that nice, sweet 3,650 premium. Let's do that. Let's see if we can get more than that. So I sold 2. So I'm going to sell 2 of these 3,700s at $37. Oh, you know that's going to feel. That's a lot of 3,700s. Come on, baby. 37 at 37. Yeah. What do you think about that, Beth? Huh? Y'all, she cannot contain her excitement. She's over there licking milk out of a bowl.
Bobby.
What?
Stop with my glasses.
What? Yeah, you try knocking my like glasses off, girl. I ain't scared of you. I fear no woman.
Right.
All right, so this is going to be SBH
We've
13.
got some requests to give Beth her own microphone. So what do you think about that?
There's a request to give you your own microphone, Beth. That would be good if Beth could just interject at a moment's notice.
Yeah,
I'm gonna get you a lavalier mic, Beth.
I think you need to go to one of those Plantronic things, like headphones with microphone, and let her
Yeah,
join in, like maybe one day a week.
that'd be great. Beth, you just add a little commentary when I'm talking because I can't hear you, you know? So it'd be good if you could just chime in here and there. That would be good. She's playing solitaire on her phone. She's playing Candy Crush. All right, so let's go buy 4 options, right? So we'll buy 4. Oh, so we'll buy 4, and we'll call this SBH 13 long. And I'll probably do the 3,700s if we got to go out to the 40-something day. So let's go to the 40-something day, 44. Let's see what we can buy the 3,700s for. Make it a nice little hedge temporarily. 3,700. Let's buy 4 of them. 1,275. I think I got enough money to do that. 2, 3, 4. So let's try 1,250. 4 at 1,250. Yeah, 3,700s at 1,250. Let's put those in. 3,700s. Puts. Long hedge. 44 days, 2 15 23. And what I say, 1,250? 1,250 is good. Got a hedge in there. And remember, we took profits today. Let's use some of them. Let's don't be greedy. So let's go buy some ES put. Let's buy 2 of them because we took in $200 something of profit. We closed that, right? So let's call this an ES LP 8. And where we're going to buy? Let's see. And then we'll check what our risk is after this. So let's go to ES. We're not buying those ES cheapy puts that gives us tons of protection. So we're going to go out 14 days. We're going to buy the closest one that I can do for 30 cents. 30 cents. And again, y'all put them wherever you want to. I just like these 30-cent ones. So 30 cents, we're going to buy 2 of those. It's going to cost us what, 30 something dollars? 33.64. Boom. So we bought 2 of the 3400s. Let's put those in. 2 3400s. 3400s. Puts. That is a long hedge at 14 days. 2 15.23, and we did them at 30 cents. Cost me 30 something dollars. So I think the key is to keeping our hedges up. Is just don't be greedy. You know, just buy some hedges here and there. Who cares? I mean, you know, if we're making the returns that we're making, what a high class problem. Now let's see what our thing looks like. So now we're down. What was it before? Y'all remember? Well, it wasn't 32,000. I don't remember what it was. Oh man, I should have made a note. Hold on, let's go back over here and see where it's at. Here we go. It's starting to lift up a little bit. Dang it. All right, 32,000. No, that's not it though. That's
UNES.
oh yeah, it shouldn't matter. Let's see, because I got it portfolio beta weight. Yeah, here it is. Here. Okay, now we're down. Dang it. Okay, we're down $1,700. Wang, cry me a river. Or maybe we're up $2,800. I mean, it depends on what the volatility goes down to, but that's a 20% move down. Look at this, y'all. 20% move down, we're up $16,000. Ta-da! There she is, Miss America, baby. How you doing any better, y'all? If y'all can show me a better trading system than what we got, I just don't see it. Now, I told Beth that, no, I didn't tell Beth, I told Ed. I get you and Ed mixed up a lot. Y'all look a lot similar.
Right.
Y'all got the same hairstyle, actually. So I told Ed, am I missing something? I even sent Evan a message last night. I said, Evan, what am I? It was Evan's birthday, by the way, yesterday. So everybody wish Evan a happy birthday. And I said, Evan, are we missing something? I mean, it seems too easy. We're shooting fish in a bucket. I don't know. Maybe when crap hits the fan, we'll figure it out. But for now, y'all look at this. I mean, where's your risk? You tell me if you're scared of anything. Are you scared of going on a cruise? Are you scared of, you know, being away from the mainland for a couple of days? I'm not. Yeah, but Bobby, you got these hedges rolling off. You got to put them back. Okay, but I can do that on the boat while I'm sitting there drinking something out of a little umbrella glass. So anyway, y'all, that is the way you